before I start reading. Blessing Okagbare, the saga from the Olympics continues to unfold. Charges are dropping left, right, and center. Um, Eric Lira, I think is a physio that works with her and other athletes, was charged today. All right, let me get into some of this because there's even evidence in the article. I never know how this kind of evidence come out before a court case, but you know what I mean? All right. Eric Lira charged in relation to Okagbare doping case. All right. U.S. prosecutors charged a Texas man on Wednesday with providing performance-enhancing drugs to athletes competing in the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo, including the star Nigerian sprinter Blessing Okagbare. Okay, guys, this is a Gleaner article. Eric Lira, 41 of El Paso, is the first person to be charged under a new U.S. anti-doping law governing international sports competition. All right. The U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan said Lira distributed the drugs, including human growth hormone and erythropoietin, a blood-building hormone, for the purpose of corrupting the 2020 games. All right, guys, the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan is the feds. All right? From the U.S. Attorney's Office, I look into you. That means the FBI depend the case. All right? And probably FDA. You know what I mean? Lira also is accused of conspiring to violate drug misbranding and adulteration laws. It was not immediately clear whether he had an attorney who could comment on the charges. The criminal complaint does not name Okagbare, but details suggesting she was among Lira's clients. A text message was sent to Okagbare seeking comment. It's not winning if you take illegal substances, it's cheating, FBI Assistant Director Michael J. Driscoll said in a statement. So guys, Supreme not talk no foolishness. FBI is involved, all right? Okagbare had been provisionally suspended for testing positive for human growth hormone in July 2021. That whole statement is ridiculous. Testing positive for human growth hormone in July 2021. Really Blessing Okagbare in a them time you take HGH. All right. Just hours before the former world championship silver medalist was due to run in the semifinals of the women 100-meter Olympics. All right. When it's time to say anything, I will, and it will be worthy of the wait, Okagbare tweeted last year. Okagbare, better you just don't say nothing, bro. A criminal complaint unsealed Wednesday in Manhattan federal court alleges that Lira, a kinesiologist and a naturopathic doctor, brought misbranded versions of drugs to the United States from Central and South America before distributing them to athletes. So that's trafficking.
Right. That's why the FBI is involved.
Yeah, that's trafficking. So, so that's another charge there. All right. I'm not a lawyer, but boy, this was kind of really easy to pick out the charges. Federal authorities searched Okagbare's cell phone as she was returning to the United States from Tokyo and found she had frequently communicated with Lira over an encrypted app, according to the complaint. It's safe.
So, what's the purpose of an encrypted app then? Jeez.
Encrypted for me and you, not the feds.
Not the feds.
All right. So here are the more than likely it's WhatsApp, don't it? Allegedly.
I have no idea.
Allegedly, I don't want to
know.
All right. Is it? So here are the text message. Is it safe to test this morning? Okagbare wrote in one of the messages to Lira, according to the complaint. Remember, I took it on Wednesday and yesterday again. I wasn't sure, so I didn't take the test. In another exchange, Okagbare wrote to Lira that she had just ran the 110.63 seconds. I remember that. News report detailed Okagbare running a race in the time a few days before the message was sent. Eric, my body feeling so good, she wrote. Whatever you did is working so well. That's what she said.
This,
Oh, boy.
ladies and gentlemen, remember, this is in the Gleaner. I'm making this up. Oh my God.
Oh,
God.
boy. You're doing your part and you'll be ready to dominate, Lira wrote to the athlete. The charges against Lira were brought under the Rodchenkov Act, a law signed in 2020 that prohibits any person other than an athlete to knowingly influence and major international sport competition with the use of prohibited substance. So that's a one charge. The charge, I think they have a case for trafficking. The mislabeling of the drugs is probably another charge. And conspiracy. What say you, my bro?
I say there's a shortage of applicants in the fast food industry. I think they're going to have to be applying real soon. if they're not, if they don't go to prison, because it's over for them.
Mr. Man, there is American, I think, you know. But,
right.
Blessing could be looking at some jail time as well.
You know?
This is serious. So it could be prison cafeteria work. You know what I mean?
Netflix needs to do the movie.
Bro.
Because that's...
I'm a loss for words, as in, how, like, it's coming.
I mean, you run 10
all over again. How do you like your messages? My body's feeling so good.
So good.
Whatever
I just run 10.6.
Working, and then you said I run 10.63, so you dated, so everybody knows it's you.
Knows exactly, and knows that record was done juiced up.
Juiced up, and you even included. I think in the complete message, she includes the wind speed, so we know say you blessing. You know what I mean?
just gave out everything.
You know, so when the feds come for you, though, them don't come unless the case solid.
Right.
They hardly lose. they don't really lose cases, so we can leave it at that. No, it's gonna be a rough one, Blessing.
Yeah.
Final thoughts, though, wait.
I can't wait for the Netflix series. I think
it's not even funny though, because it's such a did she even need it? That's even the question. Did Blessing even need it? She was already up there. Were you that desperate? You know what I mean?
Yeah, because if you're right, because she's saying whatever you did to my body, so that means it was definitely a new experience for her.
Yeah.
You know? But who knows? Who knows? Because it might not only just to be performing, it could be that she had an injury and she using the because human growth hormone really does fix things quickly like that as well, you know. That's why it's so good. It's not only going to boost your ability, but it's going to repair tissue. Right, it help with recovery immensely. So who knows why she was taking it, but you know, you're doing something illegal, you know. Don't talk about it like that. Sorry, I don't know why I don't know why.
With an X-rated conversation that we share with.
I don't know why I'm giving criminals advice, but you know, I don't say it to incompetence. I mean, if even in the movie, Netflix can't ever make it be so dumb. They're gonna have to like rewrite that whole part. It's like, no, that's not believable. They won't give away themselves like that. Come on, who is that stupid?
Yo, you know, you wrote like some things that happen in real life. And tell people, say, yo,
this happened in real life.
This
get out of here.
I'd be like, get out of here. You get out of here. You know what I mean?
This is definitely one of them.
Yeah, man.
Definitely one of them.
Yeah, those text messages are killer though. All right, bro. Yeah, we're gonna leave it there, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Boom.